Okay, let's go. This is Stray Kids and this is Thunderous. I don't know if I've heard the song. I actually don't know. But like I have to see to hear the first things to know if I heard it or not. But yeah, let's go. Also, don't question what I'm wearing. I'm just so cold. Okay, we have animation. Hey. Oh, is this gonna be a very I love it when we start with chomping. Hey. Turn it up. No. They know. Literally, they know what they're doing with it. Give you chomping after him Hanchi song. They know what they're doing. At least for me. As a bias of both of them. Hey. Why is Banchan the only one wearing a crop top? I don't know where to focus. It's not like the video. Ooh, I think I've heard this part. Stir, what about closing that? Hey. Hey. Ooh. Ooh, wow, the animation is really adding to the vibe of this. Ooh. Hey. Oh, damn. Hey. Oh no, because we're repeating this part again. Hey. 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 Ooh. Okay, choreo. Oh, the what's up? Hey. Ooh. I love IN's voice. Wow, Sunmin! Hey. No, because I cannot focus. Ooh. Hey, oh, not the eyebrows, also dancing. Oh. No, step out. No. Hey, I like them. Oh, let's go, Lino. Hey. Hey. Oh. Hey. Oh my god. What's this move? Oh my god. Hey, oh. I like this set. And daddy. Okay, my battery is okay. 1 second, guys, let me put my laptop in charge and come back to you because we need to watch this again. Run it back. Okay, I was not expecting this vibe. I mean, it's always hype with Stray Kids, but I like the animation, by the way. Let's science this. Wow. Okay, I did not saw the lyrics. Let me see the lyrics better. Hey! No, that... I love it. Also, Banchan, bro, like, what are we doing? Why are we always doing that? Like, can we not? Why? Like, oh, this part, I'm gonna be very honest, I blacked out. The only thing I was seeing was Banchan's titties. I did not even hear what Tobin was saying. Oh, but like I like the way he rapped Chambin that part. Hey. No, because I love Somin. I love his voice a lot. You step out. Oh, oh no. Because you know what we're doing with that. I'm so sorry. I'm okay. What? Damn. Oh God. Wow. Wow, look at this. Wow, damn. I love Felix's hair. Wow, he looks like his feature looks sharper with this hair like that. Also, yeah. Like if you see this, how would you like how can you tell that this man is like the sweetest and the cutest man ever when he's like this? Actually, a big surprise. It's always these. Also, hey, that's so sick. Hey, I like this. Hey. Ooh. No, because the smile, I'm dying. Look at his smile, why? Oh no, that. Okay. Ooh. I love this part. Again, I'm sorry. Hey, hey. Also, this choreo, the hand. Ooh. I love the way Stray Kids rap. Not the WhatsApp. Ooh. Ooh, wow. This choreo looks so complicated. The hand, the arms. Also, on time, I'm not doing good. Hey, okay, some men. The way he looks at the camera, why? Hey. Ooh, I like this. Ooh. Hey, okay. Ooh. Hey. Wow. No, cause no. No. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Wow. 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 This choreo is so nuts, and the most something about it is like, ah. I love this set. It gives like a festival vibe. I don't think all of you play. Yeah, they don't play with the rules. I could see from Banchan's outfit. Okay, that was a lot, but we survived that. We survived that well. We did good. We did better than expected, so I think we're good. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Like so far, I think that. So far, I think that Panchan is also part of my past. I mean, it makes sense because I always have like troubles with the leaders. It's always this way. I don't know why. Like even without me like knowing that they're the leader, like even if I just get to a new group and I saw like the leader pop out, I'm like, who's that? and I don't even know that he is the leader. You know, it just happened. Like with girl groups as well, like with boy groups and with girl groups as well. Just something I don't know, like. But yeah, I'm gonna need him to chill a little bit. Yeah, thank you for watching.